Our children are special. And not just because the sticker says so. For the past 4 years, on the third Friday in May, the National Child Month Committee and its volunteers have been gathering across the island to celebrate our children. This is part of the annual Child Month activities to get the nation to devote meaningful attention to the love, care and protection of our children.
We want all adults to reach out to the children. Tell them how much you love them. Not just your children, but every child is valuable. Every child has potential. Every child was born with purpose. And so we want all our children to know that they are important, they are special and they are valuable.
On the day, volunteers issue stickers, books and pencils with a little hug and smile to children on their way to school. This passion for the welfare of children gained momentum by a proclamation of Governor-General Sir Patrick Allen on May 18, 2012, declaring the third Friday in May as National Children's Day. The wearing of the color yellow shows a national support for the observation.
I think any day that gives us as a nation the opportunity to stop, reflect, renew our commitment to children is a day that should be celebrated. So I really want to commend the National Child Month Committee. They have really kept this going for a number of years. And what we want to do as a government is to see how we can help expand it.
The gesture on the day, though simple, is quite meaningful, leaving lasting memories of that smile, that embrace, and those words, "You are special."
We believe that the same way we have Mother's Day, Father's Day, Teacher's Day, Nurses Day, and the list goes on. Our children are that important and we should have a Children's Day.
The Ministry of Education, Youth and Information understands the importance of affirming children of their care and protection and has integrated it into the 12 operating standards of the Early Childhood Commission.
In the schools, we expect that the teachers will have a special relationship with the children, give them a hug on a daily basis, remind them that they're very special, show them care and attention. Parents need to play an integral role in the lives of their children. If somebody on the outside is loving your children more than you are, then your children are going to revert to that attention, and we don't want that to happen. Parents offers the best love and support any child can be given.
We want to say to Jamaica that there's a correlation between our early childhood development and how our children do in the rest of their years. So this day is very, very important. Outside of the day, I would say to all Jamaicans, we all need to do more. We all need to recognize that we have a job to do in protecting our children, not just our biological children, but every single child. And that no parent can be there 100% of the time. And as such, all of us as adults have a responsibility to look out for every child and to see what more can we do to ensure that if they're in harm, if they're in risk, that we protect them, that we go out of our way to make sure that they are safe.
It feels really good to see them with a smile on their faces, you know, and to really tell them that they are special. It really feels good. It's a very good feeling to have.
When they come off the bus and they're a little down and you give them a sticker and it just lights them up.
It's been a very good experience, you know, to see how happy the children are to be greeted and to feel that they are special when you hug them and you tell them, because a lot of them might not be able to hear this at home. And so it's nice to be able to do this, and it was a good experience for me.
Children's Day activities are supported by 35 government and private sector entities. The 2017 Child Month theme was Take Action, Break the Chain of Abuse, a message that continues beyond the month of May.
What we do want is for our children to grow up in an environment where they can become caring, confident and responsible adults. But they can't do that if they're being taken advantage of, if they're being neglected, if they're being abused.